So in this video we are going to discuss about the screw jack. So this is the screw jack assemble diagram. So first body part, above the body part cap, nut, so then screw spindle, then in the screw spindle we are going to fix the plumber block, the screw spindle we are going to fix the Tommy bar. Then comes into the next one is the CSK screw, then washer, then cup. Above the screw spindle, cup is fixing over there. Above the inside the cup, the washer and CSK screw has to be placed over here. So first I am going to select the assemble. Where I am going to save the file, I am going to retrieve. So desktop, I am going to bring the file from screw jack. So I am going to bring body part. So after bringing body part, above the body part I am going to place the nut. So select assemble. So above this, bottom of this part has to be placed over here. So that is I am going to align first. After that, going to give the this alignment, axial alignment, this as well as this. So it has to be fixed. Then goes to the next one. Above this, the spindle, screw spindle has to be placed over here. So screw spindle, same concept. So from top surface, rotate this in the top surface. I am going to place this one. So now what happens, this screw spindles, it may be moves up and down. So that what I am going to do, so it gives certain distance, some 15 mm distance. Okay, so even you can place even above this also, it's not an issue. Okay, so for certain distance I am going to give. Then I am going to give the axial alignment, this as well as this one. After then going to bring the cup, it is placed to the above the screw spindle. So above that the bottom has to be placed, and the axis of this, okay, fit, and this has to be placed over here. Now what I am going to do, the next inside that I am going to place washer and CSK screw. So washer and CSK screw I am going to do the sub assembly over here, because inside very difficult to choose the part. So that these things I am going to do over here, this as well as inside. And the now selecting the thing is very important. So select assemble, top of this it has to be placed over here. That's it. Give fit. So after giving the fit, I am going to rotate. So select assemble. So first I am going to select the top of that particular screw spindle, this one, then rotate bottom of this washer. So once it has to be aligned, again I am going to rotate. So now axial alignment. So the cylindrical one here, even this also can select, it's not that has to be aligned over here. So after align this, these are all the thing is very simple, but the thing is one certain concept you have to remember over and while fixing the Tommy bar. So select the Tommy bar, going to rotate. So select assemble, this axial alignment, and so flip, so the other side. Okay, now going to select this particular one into this particular hole. Okay, so this hole is not selecting, so going to do undo. So first going to try it first this one as well as this particular hole, or otherwise for in the Tommy bar I am going to select assemble Tommy bar and go to here as the show relationship. Okay, so this relationship I am tying. First I am going to rotate where it is coming over here, exactly this end. Okay, so I'm going to select assemble the Tommy bar relation, so creating this one, and I'm going to select the plane is not selecting over here because only we created this particular things. So select this assemble, so this as well as create this one relationship, even here going to select this as well as this whole, it's not selected, so fit. Otherwise I'm going to do one more thing, so here that move part, okay, so the part has to be moved over here. I'm going to try to fix over exactly in the end, almost it has to be fixed. Okay, so like this way we can assemble over this Tommy bar. Okay, then we can save as this will be, I'm going to save in the desktop, screw jack assemble and going to save. So after saving this, go to the converting into the 2D view, create drawing. Okay, and next front custom. So now this I am going to turn into the other side. So here any other thing is there, we'll check it. So going to turn like in the manually. Okay, so almost it looks like a front view. So close on top side, and this one like a trimetric view, isometric view I'm going to place over here. Then I'm going to change the sheet setup into the A4 size sheet, show background off, give OK and fit. So this I'm going to place over in this one. See, once I move the top view, along with that it's moving over here, so the relationship it won't change over here. So once after done these things, I want to create the sectional front view. Okay, I want to create the sectional front view means what happens, I want to create the sectional front view means cutting plane you have to create in the top view. So select top view, so from here to mid one, exactly in the mid one I'm going to draw a line and finish. So either this side, then after that go to the section view, select the thing, I'm going to place here. So the sectional front view has to be created over here. So after created this, come to this one like a screw jack, go and select in the this particular things, the solid part, and come over here, right click, update view. So this has to be updated over here. So like this way we have to be converted into 2D view. So here these are all the things 2D view, the isometric we have converted into 3D view. So in the final sheet we have to provide the both 3D view as well as the 2D views. So this we can save as. So with that the assembly get over. Okay, so we're going to stop over this song. Thank you.